Hello everyone. Now we are going to see synchronous counters. Here we will be discussing a design of a 3-bit synchronous binary counter. Upon completion of the session, you will be able to explain the working of a synchronous counter, design a 3-bit binary synchronous counter. In previous session, we have seen what is counter and which are the two different types of counters. As we have seen, there are two types of counters: asynchronous counters, also called ripple counters, and synchronous counters. And we have discussed the design of an ripple counter in the last session. Synchronous counters. Flip-flops are connected together to perform counting operations. And in synchronous counters, the clock input is connected to all the flip-flop. That is, all flip-flops are clocked simultaneously. The change of state of a particular flip-flop is dependent on the present state of other flip-flops. Shows the design of a 3-bit synchronous binary counter. The clock signal is applied simultaneously to all the flip-flops, flip-flop 0, flip-flop 1 and flip-flop 2. The external input high is connected to the J and K inputs of the first flip-flop. Q0, the output of the first flip-flop, changes on each clock pulse as the counter progresses from its original state to its final state and then back to its original state. F of 0 must be held in toggle mode by constant high on its J and K inputs. And Q1 goes to the opposite state following each time Q0 is a 1. This change occurs at clock signal 2, 4, 6 and 8. The clock 8 pulse causes the counter to recycle. To produce this operation, Q0 is connected to J and K inputs of F of 1. When Q0 is a 1 and a clock pulse occurs, flip-flop 1 is in the toggle mode and therefore changes state. When Q0 is 0, flip-flop 1 is in the not change mode and remains in the present state itself. Whenever both Q0 and Q1 are high, the output of this AND gate makes the J and K inputs having a high value, and F of 2 toggles on the following clock pulse. At all other times, the J and K inputs of F of 2 held low by the AND gate, and thus F of 2 does not change the state. This shows the 3-bit synchronous binary counters timing diagram. Here is the clock cycle, Q0 output, Q1 output and Q2 outputs of the flip-flops. Q0 output changes its states in the beginning of each clock pulse as seen in the diagram. And Q1 changes its state in clock pulse 2, clock pulse 4, clock pulse 6, clock pulse 8 and so on. Q2 changes its state in the 4th clock pulse and 8th clock pulse and so on. This is a state sequence of a 3-bit synchronous binary counter. Initially it is 0 and this state sequence is similar to that of the asynchronous binary counter, because since this is a 3-bit counter, it is having 8 different states changing from 0 to 7, and on the 8th clock pulse it is changing to 0, 0, 0, and from the 9th onwards it is repeating the same count 1, 2, 3 up to 7. For an n-bit binary synchronous counter, there are n flip-flops required and it can count from 0 to 2 raised to n minus 1. For example, for a 4-bit binary counter, The modulus, that means the number of states of the counter, is 2 raised to 4, which is 16, and it can count from 0 to 15. So on the 16th clock pulse, it is recycling to the 0th state, then starting from 1. We have seen different counters, synchronous and asynchronous counters, and the design of ripple counter and the synchronous counters in last 2 sessions. Change of state of a flip-flop in synchronous counter is depend on input, present state of other flip-flops in the counter, both A and B, and none of the above. It depends on the present state of other flip-flops in the counter. What is the number of flip-flops of a 6-bit synchronous counter? For a 6-bit synchronous counter, we need 6 flip-flops. In synchronous counters, flip-flops do not have common clock pulse. Flip-flops have common clock pulse, either A or B, neither A nor B. Answer is, in synchronous they have a common clock pulse. Next, what is the number of flip-flops required to design a counter with 10 states? With n flip-flops, we can have 2 raised to n states counter. So with 3 flip-flops, we can have 8 state counter. So with 4 flip-flops, we can have a 16 state counter. So with 4, we can design a counter with 16 or less in number. Next, which is the count state of a 4-bit counter at the 7th clock pulse? So for the first clock pulse, the count is 1, second clock pulse 2, and so on. So the 7th clock pulse, the count is 7. Thank you.